Alright, I'm getting a warning on my printer. It won't print because it says it's not using HP cartridges, that they're somehow damaged or not working. So, bought a brand new one, Amazon. Got a whole set with the HP logo. It's official HP, brand new, just out of it. Alright, so here I am replacing it on my 5510. It's kind of old, but you know, it should still work. Get it all snugged in there. Alright, close the top. Oh, look. That's what I just did. It says it must be replaced. Well, now it's not specifying which one. Maybe that's black? I don't know. I didn't do the black one because before it was just the red one coming up. So now I need a black one. God, you guys are just killing me. HP, I hate you. I will never buy any of your products ever again.